Continuing with your script, you will now add the applicant's monthly expenses. This is a continuation of the hardship section. There are 12 expense fields. However, there may or may not be a value in every field. This will depend on what the applicant says to you in response to your query. Field A is groceries. We are using $300 for the month. Field B is car insurance. We will use $100 for the month. Field C, health insurance. We will use $100. Field D, utilities. We will use $150. Field E is phone, including cell phone. How much does the applicant spend per month on telephone services? We'll use $50. Field F is home insurance. We will use $100 because it could be for renter's insurance. Field G, the car payment, $150. Field H, how much gasoline does the applicant spend each month? We will use $300. Field I, dining out. How much does the applicant spend per month going out to dinner? This should not include groceries, as that was a separate field. You may find that many of the people who need assistance with debt may have foregone the occasional dinner out. We will use $0. Likewise, Field J is entertainment. How much does the applicant spend per month on movies, theme parks, plays, tours? Again, you may find that these applicants don't use their funds to go out. We will leave this at $0 also. Field K, house rent, mortgage payment, or rent. We will use $900. And Field L, other. This category is for any other outlay of money that the applicant makes on a monthly basis. For instance, a monthly payment for a school loan, a monthly payment for gardening, a monthly payment for dental work. We will use $100. At this point, we will select Save Applicant again. And at the bottom of this section, you will see a debt-to-income ratio. Ours will show 75%. This indicates that the applicant only has about 25% of their income to devote to paying off their debt. If you want to do the math, you would find that of the remaining $750 a month our fictitious applicant has left, if he only makes the minimum payment on his credit cards, he will be left with only about $188. This is what he would have to use for savings, emergencies, auto repairs, schooling needs, and so on. This is a slim margin by any stretch of the imagination. It certainly won't be easy to get out of debt with so little cushion. This is what can be used as talking points towards the advantages of using the law firm for debt relief. At the very bottom of this section, there is a small field for notes. Perhaps the applicant is legally blind, or perhaps the applicant is caring for an elderly parent who is ill. This is a place for you to put that information.